Hello everyone, my name is Wim van Dam and I'm the VP of Sales for ProcessMaker IDP. I am excited that I have the opportunity today to talk to you about intelligent document processing. What is it? What is the market opportunity? Some customer success stories, and what can you, as a valued ProcessMaker partner, expect from us? To kick off with my presentation, let me explain why IDP is hot and why you should consider investing in it. Your customers are continuously seeking for ways to optimize processes and to gain efficiency. Many traditional processes involve paper documents and expensive manual labor to process them. Intelligent Document Processing, or IDP, helps your customers to move from paper to digital and to benefit from all the advantages of automated document processing. And with that, IDP is a key building block of digital transformation initiatives, which nowadays is a top priority on your customer's agenda. It will also enable you on the latest trends and modern technologies, such as cloud-native developments, containers and microservices, and to learn all about using artificial intelligence and machine learning for processing documents. And last but not least, the market opportunity for IDP is huge and will grow rapidly during the next 4 to 5 years. When it comes to IDP, all leading market research and analysis firms agree on its market potential and predict an annual growth rate of approximately 35% until 2027. According to recent research by Straight Research, they have estimated that the market for IDP will grow from $1 billion in 2021 to a stunning $6.3 billion by 2027. This means that the investment that you, as a ProcessMaker partner, will do in IDP is a long-term investment that will support successful business for you in the next years. So what does ProcessMaker IDP offer? With ProcessMaker IDP, we focus on unstructured documents that occur in your customer's business processes and require a significant amount of manual labor to process them. We provide the latest AI and machine learning technologies that will allow you to fully automate these tedious and time-consuming tasks. With our technology, your customer's documents can be classified automatically and find, extract and validate valuable data for further use in business applications and processes. So what do we actually mean by processing unstructured documents? Let me explain some examples. Imagine the vast amount of documents received via different channels. Before you know what to do with them, or in which process they belong, you will need to know what kind of document it is and what it is about. Instead of an employee performing that task manually, ProcessMaker IDP can identify the document type automatically and tag it with relevant topics so it can be sent to the right process directly. Another example is the processing of a form, for example an application form for a loan. Instead of looking up relevant data in the form and enter them manually in the associated business application, ProcessMaker IDP can read forms and take over most of the manual, time-consuming data entry work. Another great use case for ProcessMaker IDP is in KYC, where employees spend a lot of time reviewing documents and ensuring that a customer dossier is compliant and complete. With our advanced AI engine, we automatically detect all documents in the dossier and verify its completeness. If GDPR is a concern to your customers, our product helps you to manage their data according to legislation. And with our pre-trained models, ProcessMaker IDP looks up and identifies personal and confidential information on the fly and will mask it automatically. And is there a large amount of documents stored in different silos, file shares and archives? And has it become impossible to gain insight manually? ProcessMaker IDP can automatically crawl all documents, classify and index them, and apply rules to identify risks and opportunities. And finally, with ProcessMaker IDP, the average time of 80 minutes for information workers to find documents they need is history. All documents are classified and fully indexed for easy retrieval and future use, instantly. So what do we mean with unstructured documents? Unstructured documents are everywhere, and in fact more than 80% of all content used within organizations is unstructured. Even the presentation you're currently looking at is an example of an unstructured document. Unstructured data comes in many different formats. An example is a physical letter you receive or an email with attachments. Other examples include PDF documents, text files, various image formats such as JPEG or PNG, and a wide range of common Office document formats. There are hundreds of different document types which are required and processed in business processes. Some well-known and often used types include application forms, a bank statement, a passport or an ID card, utility bill, invoices, receipts, payslips, and different types of contracts. Depending on your customer's business processes, there can be many more and other document types. The ProcessMaker IDP product consists of three key building blocks. The first block is the digitization engine, also known as OCR or optical character recognition. This is where documents are prepared for further processing by converting all images with text to machine-readable data. ProcessMaker OCR supports over 100 languages and delivers up to 99% accuracy. And because we have this capability built in our product, there is no need for your customer to invest in a separate OCR package. The second block is the heart of the ProcessMaker IDP engine and contains all the AI algorithms and pre-trained models for automated classification and extraction. And the last block is our built-in document management system that comes with complete and robust DMS capabilities to store and manage your documents. And it comes with outstanding search capabilities and rich features for full text, metadata, filtering, and much more. One of the unique selling points and key differentiator of ProcessMaker IDP is that we offer these three key building blocks from a single application. And in fact, ProcessMaker is currently the only offering out there combining these capabilities and to offer full-featured DMS capabilities, archiving and search as part of IDP. Now let's take a more detailed look at the document flow and processing it with ProcessMaker IDP. On the input side, we support a wide variety of formats, just at the type mentioned in the previous slides. And we have no restrictions to the type of documents that you would like to process. As long as we can capture the knowledge of your expert users, ProcessMaker IDP can do the job. We provide different options to add your documents for processing. We provide a rich user interface for the business user, but also an API for automated ingestion by business applications or processes. In addition, we can automatically load documents from file shares, email boxes, and FTP. And of course, we integrate well with ProcessMaker BPM. The first step in the process is important because it is responsible for creating accurate data for further processing by the AI engine. The OCR engine checks if there is machine-readable text available and will validate if the quality is sufficient. Before it converts images to machine-readable data, it optimizes the image quality with various algorithms to ensure the 99% accuracy. In the classification step, the AI engine automatically determines the document type based on its content. In addition, it is also able to identify subcategories and to tag documents with topics to describe what it is about. The extraction step is where the AI engine finds and reads the data your customer needs in their business processes. Such data elements may include numbers, dates, names, locations, form value, and much more. The masking step is where ProcessMaker IDP supports your GDPR requirements by automatically identifying personal data and masking them. In the search step, we create a full text index of all your documents, enabling the strong built-in search capabilities. This allows you to find and retrieve documents based on the contents, metadata, advanced filtering, and more. On the output side, we also provide various options, in addition to the business user interface, to use the data collected by ProcessMaker IDP in your business processes. Most commonly used output formats include JSON or other text formats. Available integration options are via our APIs and of course ProcessMaker BPM. The knowledge that drives our advanced AI engine is not static. ProcessMaker IDP supports, just like a human, continuous learning using an interactive feedback loop that captures your expert knowledge, often referred to as the human in the loop. Every action performed by the AI engine comes with an accuracy score. When this score drops below a configurable threshold, for instance because of a new document type and changing business processes, the document will be put aside for review by a business user. The business user will validate and, if needed, correct the outcome. This action is then added to the training data and will automatically be included when retraining the classification model. In this way, you are sure that the AI engine is always up to date and using the most accurate classification model driven by the business user. In the next few minutes, I'd like to tell you about success stories of customers that have implemented our ProcessMaker IDP application. The first customer success story is about Ahold Delhaize. Ahold Delhaize is a global top 6 retailer who owns 21 well-known brands, employs over 400,000 employees globally, and runs more than 7,500 retail stores. Ahold Delhaize uses ProcessMaker IDP to manage their digital personnel files centrally and provide secure access, fine-grained, to employee documents from the stores. It also supports the high employee turnaround caused by young people in temporary jobs and integrates seamlessly with both their HCM application and BPO provider. With ProcessMaker IDP, Ahold Delhaize is able to automatically classify their employee documents, which ensure dossier completeness and helps them to easily comply with the GDPR privacy legislation. ProcessMaker IDP provides the store managers detailed insight using the built-in compliance dashboard and a convenient in-store iPad app. Finally, ProcessMaker IDP comes with complete records and retention capabilities, which gives Ahold Delhaize full control over their personnel files and supports labor legislation. To conclude my presentation, I'd like to summarize some of the things that you, as a partner, may expect from us. First, we have a lot of collateral to share with you to support your sales activities, such as data sheets and presentations. But also for most of our IDP use cases, we will have one pages available for you to share with your customers and prospects. In addition, we will have recorded demos available for different use cases and promotional recordings in various languages for you to share. Of course, there will also be a complete training program available, which includes IDP certification for ProcessMaker partners. We will also provide sales and marketing support, as well as access to documentation, software, and quick start examples. And finally, you will get access to ProcessMaker subject matter experts for support setting up demos, implement a pilot, and to help you onboarding your first customers. So with that, I'd like to thank everyone for the attention and the interest in ProcessMaker IDP. In case you have any questions or you want to learn more about our product, please feel free to reach out to me via the contact details on this slide. Thank you.